YouTube. I am super excited right now because I want to tell you about a massive package of graphics that you can pick up for basically next to nothing. I mean, it's really insane how much you're going to get for so little money. And it's all coming up in my review of the 3D graphics pack. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can have one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Why would I do such a thing, you may ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is good stuff, okay? Pay attention. It's good. Do you know how irritating that guy is? Every single day he does the same thing. Sometimes twice a day. Really annoying guy. Way things work here. If I like a product, I will give it to my help to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart, And yeah, she gets married at the end of 30 Rock. Sorry if that's a spoiler for you. We've been watching 30 Rock since the lockdown started, so we're almost done now. Anyway. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. We are on the sales page for the 3D graphics pack from my friends at Fire Launchers. This one is a really nice package. Now, if you've ever had to design pretty much anything for any use online, you know that graphics are important. And if you go and just try to get free stuff, a lot of it is restricted, that you're not allowed to use it for commercial use. That's if you can find something at all. A lot of times you can't find anything at all that's going to be appropriate. So having a quality set of graphics is really important. I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment. But before I do that, I do want to tell you a little bit about my own custom bonuses, because I've got a massive package of custom bonuses available. My cat is here saying hello. He's excited about the custom bonuses also. Anyway, so I'm going to give you a set of ebook covers and ebook markups. Also going to give you a set of logo designs, as well as a 10 mega pack of graphics. And on top of all that, if all that is not enough, I've also got a mega pack of additional materials that my friend Vikram, who runs Fire Launches, has agreed to give me to give to you. So I'm going to be giving you also a set of abstract images, an image sharing profits PLR pack, graphic design pack, things, stuff, stock images, turbo graphics pack, create ebook covers, Easter posters, turbo GIF animator, the animation playbook, hands-on timeline covers version 7, graphics ease, food stock images, the vector blowout, killer 3D icon maker, and mobile graphics toolkit, plus a set of bonus box images. Boy, is that a lot of stuff. You're getting all of that stuff, and it's all included. Let me show you a couple of samples of the stuff you get. So you have some stuff that's animated like this stuff, which is nice stuff. And of course, you have plenty of logos. I'm giving you a few logos. These are actually much nicer than the logos I'm giving you, though. You're also getting plenty of avatars and 3D covers, which you can customize, of course. I'm also going to show you a free website that you can customize all these on. You don't spend any money for Photoshop. Do it all for free. You get all this stuff included. And the price is pretty crazy. It's $10. If you want to get full PLR rights, basically meaning that you can actually sell these things, you give them away, whatever, it's $15. So that's really nothing. And let's go ahead and see if we can give it to match the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. Huge tip of my hat. Really a massive pack, and for the price, you just simply cannot go wrong with this thing. This is an amazing package. It just comes with a massive amount of material and well worth the money for the price. You really cannot go wrong picking this up. Go ahead and grab this. You're really going to love it.